That's a beautiful queen. Beauty. Okay, so there's our queen, and she is laying. In fact, I think you could see eggs in those cells right there, folks. Okay, maybe get lucky and watch her lay an egg. Go ahead, girl. Let the camera shine. Well, there she is, and she is laying. It's May. The Chinese Tower flow is about to kick off, and I mean, they got 2 frames of bees, so I may just go ahead and let them go ahead and build. And as long as they have feed and she's laying, the hive should increase their numbers. So, but if not, I can always give them some additional bees. So, all right. All right. Looks like a nuke picked up some numbers, folks. Yeah. We didn't have this many bees earlier today. So let's go ahead and check them. I gave them a couple of frames of drawn comb. There's our queen right there. Come on. Okay. That's our queen that we released a couple of days ago or so. And earlier I was in them, and she is laying. I'm going to see if I can get a close-up and show y'all some eggs. She was pretty when I caught her, and she's even prettier now, and you can see how she's blown up. Yeah, this is the same queen that we released like 3 days ago, folks. Kid you not, that is the same queen. All right. All right, I'm going to put her back, and I'm going to pull another frame to show you what she's done. See those eggs in there? Okay. Yep. There you go. I know you can see those eggs. Alright. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Another one from JPthebeeman. I'm having a great day, and I hope you are too.